Mitsubishi is tired of being the underdog. This is the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator. A 7-seat SUV. Looks like it's ready to conquer everything from city streets to the untamed wilderness. It's the production version of the viral DST Concept, and it is arguably the best-looking Mitsubishi we've seen in a decade. It's got the rugged soul of a Montero, but the tech of a modern crossover. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're breaking down why the Destinator is the global game-changer that America is waiting for. Under the hood, Mitsubishi has swapped the old naturally aspirated engines for a punchy 1.5-liter MIVEC turbocharged 4-cylinder. It's pushing out 161 horsepower and a healthy 184 pound-feet of torque through a refined CVT, but the real magic is in the tech. The Destinator features active yaw control, AYC, and a specialized drive mode selector with 5 settings: normal, wet, gravel, tarmac, and mud, with an insane 9.6 inches of ground clearance. This FWD SUV can handle rougher terrain than most of its AWD competitors. It's built for the roads that haven't been paved yet. Inside, the Destinator feels surprisingly premium. The digital stage dashboard features a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen and an 8-inch digital driver display that pays homage to the classic triple meter layout of the legendary Pajero. The standout feature? The Dynamic Sound Yamaha Premium audio system. Mitsubishi and Yamaha collaborated to tune the cabin specifically for this SUV, delivering an acoustic experience that usually costs double the price. Add in the panoramic sunroof and 3 rows of flexible seating, and you've got a family hauler that doesn't feel like a compromise. The big question for our US viewers, is it coming to North America? Currently, the Destinator is spearheading Mitsubishi's Challenge 2025 plan in global markets. However, with the Outlander being a massive hit in the States, there is a gaping hole in Mitsubishi's US lineup for a rugged, affordable 3-row crossover. If Mitsubishi wants to reclaim its glory in the USA, bringing a localized, a WD version of the Destinator is exactly how they do it. It's the forbidden fruit we actually want. The 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator is proof that the brand hasn't lost its spark. It's bold, it's tech-heavy, and it's undeniably rugged. Should Mitsubishi bring this to the States to take on the Toyota Highlander? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you in the next one.